Okay, this is Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs. We are about to give out, I make my own treats now, I don't buy them no more. The BowersBones! Yay! Easy. Here you go, baby. Yay, Faith! Let me see if these little ones are could have some. I'll throw some on the ground for them. There you go. Let's see, are they eating them? The BowersBones are made with peanut butter and lots of love. A lot of good things for them in there. Vitamins, minerals. I even take a Nuvet Plus and crumple it up and put it in there. Yay! Oh, look at them. They're really eating it up. I'll give you a couple more of the BowersBones. Now we have a couple silver males available in here. And we have chocolate females available. And I have silver males. Yeah, what else do I have? Yeah. So if anybody, and we have a male and a female Labradoodle. Golden Labradoodle. So if you want any of these, let me know. Rich Bowers. Oh, you like them, don't you? All right, there you go. All right, the BowersBones. There you go, boys and girls. Let me see. You want a BowersBones? Here. Yay! Yeah, they're eating it up. Loving it up. I gotta crumple it up for these guys. Oh, it's nice. It's like a soft cookie. Man, the BowersBones is making a big hit at the puppy house. Yay! You want to know where you can get them? Let me know. Give me a ring-a-ding-a-ling. Yay! So Rich Bowers making the BowersBones. Brand new treats. They cost me a fraction of what it costs in the store to get treats. And these are nutritional treats too. So Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs, signing off, and God bless.